Hi, my name is Martin Wong. I'm the father of SmartRobie. Welcome to the video tutorial on how to achieve higher winning rates with SmartRobie. Now, in case you don't have a copy of SmartRobie, the mobile apps, do download from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. Now, in this tutorial, I will share with you 4 simple tips on how to achieve just that, higher win rates. Shall we get started? For the SmartRobie, you can go over to a YouTube, one of the tutorial there. I'll show you which one, right? I believe there's a timeline for that one too. Now this is the video I'm talking about here, and there's a timeline here. This is the timeline, the trade setup, these rules are here. This is very, very simple only, okay? ATR, stock driven, and takes you to the setup one here. And if you want to look for trade setup, you just hit this button and you'll get you how to use the premium. So I use this to pick the premium alert so far. Okay, so you can see, of course, the win rates are high. Currently, it's partly because we are in the bull market, sort of correction. Remember, we were in the correction also. June 16, we're in the correction. If you look back at the KLCI, okay, wait, let me just show you KLCI using that as a proxy. I use FKLI. Now take note that the KLCI already turned positive. 16th of June when I started was somewhere around here. Yeah, 16th of June when the market sold off. This is where we were. Now 16th of June, if you look at KLCI, only 2nd of July today. So only yesterday it turned green. Okay, so you can see from 16th of July, where did the market go? The market actually go what? Actually go down, isn't it? Right? It actually go down, then only turn itself up. So if you look in terms of, okay, let me just push this, all right, and show you this one here, then you can see. So if you look back during this period from 16 onwards going down, we're still able to pick good shares. Now only the 2nd of July, the shares start to move. Okay, you can see Comark. At this time, the market may sort of range bound, not going up. Of course, Comark did pretty well on 16th of June. I picked that one, our first issue. That was the day. It's up 40%. Senkau is up 13%. So it's simply saying two things, right? You got to wait for a bit of time for the market to move up. So 16, then which is almost 2 weeks already. If they run, it will run. Okay, if it doesn't around that, you need to cut off. The losses are very small in here. The biggest loss so far is a minus 70% Kuskapi. It is because it is 20 over cents. Usually that's always the case. If you don't want, then pick somewhere above 40 cents will be better. Okay, that's point number 3. Because I'll try to summarize it for you here. Okay, and during a nice run, you'll get there. But an important point number 4, which I want to talk about, is that even during the market sideways, you can see, if you compare what we have from the 16 onwards, here, with the premium alert, the market top, the market can still go higher. Okay, the market can still go higher because why? As I said before earlier on, many of these premium alert that is picked up by SmartRobie have already intention for SmartRobie to push up, which means the news will come 3 or 4 days later. Remember Cabaran, which we talked about it, already run 26%, then news came out. LHI also, but there was LHI not so much. I think Comark was pure classic. The stock price run first, then only they come out say they are going into making face mask, I think. Yeah, face mask. I believe it's face mask. Acoustic, I didn't pick it. If it does come out on the premium alert, I would have picked it. So that's the thing. So before I pass on to Zach and to Arif, summary in here. So for the, you can write this down, very important. So this, when you do your premium alert, the premium alert stock pick, look for somewhere between 4 to 8%. Sometimes more than that, 10% is on case-to-case basis. Most of these I will pick around 4 to 8%. Some of them may have run a lot more, especially those are news-driven, because right now the news is the one that's going to push the share price faster and higher, and that's what we want to do. Especially the premium alerts, more for sure. That's the first one. Second of it is you need to give a bit of time for the market for it to move up. It may come down a bit, but it's no problem. Don't worry about it. Look, study the support and resistance, then the market will pick up. Use hourly chart. Remember, we use hourly chart. That's the third one. Use hourly chart to get in, and then we get out using the weekly chart. All right. So in that way, you will have a very good win rates. Okay. So going forward, we do see the market going to go higher. So how I'm going to help you guys out is that my morning breakfast show sort of give you, where the market is heading. Great,
Now that's all we have for our tutorial. Follow me at fb.com/martintfwong for daily stock tips. And don't forget, follow me too at fb.com/smartrobie for free stock pick. You can also reach us from the number there seen on the left side of the screen. I'll see you then.